All right, today we have a 2007 HAAS SL-10 with a HAAS servo bar 300 bar feed. Has a HAAS control, Royal filter mist collector, 6-inch chuck. It has a tool setter, a parts catcher, 12 position turret. Spindle's running right now at 200. That's 1,000. That's 2,000. That's 3,000. Max RPM is 6. We'll index the turret now. That's your Z-axis, nice and quiet. There's your X. Do your parts catcher. That basically does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.